Let us look at concept of circle of concern and circle of influence. Stephen Covey speaks about this concept of circle of concern and circle of influence. Let us see what this is. Circle of concern is something that signifies all the concerns that you have and on which you have no control. Graham is a mid-level manager in the company looking after production. He is always concerned about the lack of freedom in the company. He feels the management is not giving enough freedom for him to take decisions. He feels there is no authority for any manager in the company. He feels that he is not able to take any initiatives, as he is not able to find support. He quotes about the times when he started something, and then how it failed. He says, "Only what MD starts will work in this company." He always looks at himself as a victim. He feels the quality manager is very unreasonable, and hence he takes decisions that affect the production badly. He feels the purchase manager is not a responsible person, and he does not care about production, as the production gets affected by material shortages. He says, he tried many times to tell purchase manager how important it is to get materials on time. But he says the purchase manager never listens to him. He says, he listens only to the MD. Graham also feels that the workmen do not listen to him, and the union is controlled by the HR manager. He says the permanent workmen are controlled by the HR manager, and the temporary workmen anyway do not listen to him, as they do not have discipline. He feels the selection of workmen is not okay, and hence he is getting all bad workmen. Graham feels that he is helpless, and he cannot control anything around him. He feels the control for everything around him is not with him. The control is with someone else. So, he does not take any initiative, as it does not work. He would give past examples, and say that things just does not work around here. Circle of influence is something that signifies how you can influence things around you. There may be some things that you cannot influence. But a person need not get affected only by that. Shyam is the production manager in the company. He joined the company only a year back. Shyam observed that implementing the lean principles will help the company in a big way. He initiated this. He took the help of IMA and started off a lean implementation initiative. He immediately got the support of MD for this. He requested the MD to review the lean initiative every week along with him in the shop floor. That started giving good results. Shyam also started working with the quality manager, and suggested that the quality manager start a quality culture initiative. He supported the quality manager out of the way. He ensured that the production team supports the quality manager. The quality manager responded very well to Shyam. Shyam also initiated improving some specific suppliers, along with the purchase manager. Shyam did not try to take all credit. He encouraged other managers to take initiative and take credit for the other initiatives. But Shyam was respected by other colleagues for what he initiated. Shyam got promoted to operations head within the next 2 years. What is the difference between the above two types of people? Graham is worried about the problems around him. He feels he is helpless. He is approaching his colleagues with suspicion, and with a negative opinion, that they are not good enough, or does not have interests of company in them. He also suspects that MD of the company is not allowing anyone to take control. Shyam, on the other hand, is focusing on what he can do. He started with what he can do on his own in his own territory. He initiated the lean initiative. He put in his best into this initiative. He ensured that good results started coming. He knew that MD will support something that will solve the problems in the company. He then encouraged the other functional heads also start initiatives by supporting them and working towards their success. He could rub off his positive energy onto the others too. Proactive people feel they are responsible. They feel they can respond to a situation in the way they want to. They have the ability to respond the way they want. Reactive people feel they are victims of the situation. They feel their impulses, moods are more important. They feel they are controlled by others. Proactive people take a step to understand the other person and their problems. Reactive people always look at their own problems and their own need to be understood. Proactive people get over their own moods, impulses, and give priority to their values, their principles, and the needs of the organization and situation. Proactive people treat others with kindness, understanding. They keep up their promises and connect well with others. They do not wait for others to treat them well before they do. They generally have a positive attitude towards people. Reactive people point out to many problems with the colleagues. They give many excuses for why they are not connecting well with others.